Hello everyone, welcome to Fab Dentist. In this video, we are going to discuss about tetracycline, its uses, indications, contraindication, adverse effect, mechanism of action. So without getting delayed, let's get started. Please do like this and subscribe my video as it motivates me to make more videos. Introduction. Tetracycline are broad spectrum antibiotic. These are the class of antibiotic having a nucleus of 4 cyclic ring. First introduced as chlortetracycline in 1948. Now, what are the drugs included in this group? That is tetracycline, oxytetracycline, dimeclocycline, doxycycline, minocycline. Nowadays there is a new drug that is known as tigecycline. Now, what are the mechanism of action of tetracycline? How tetracycline work? Tetracycline inhibit protein synthesis by binding to 30S ribosome in susceptible organism. Attachment of aminoacrylic tRNA to the acceptor A site of mRNA ribosome complex is interfered. Now, you can see this in this diagram. You can see this. कि टेट्रासाइक्लिन जो है वो प्राइमरली बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक होता है, वो इनिबिट करता है प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस को बाय बाइंडिंग टू द 30S राइबोसोम इन सस्पेक्टेबल ऑर्गेनिज्म, ठीक है, विच सब्सिक्वेंटली बाइंड करता है अटैचमेंट ऑफ अमीनो एक्राइल tRNA टू द एक्सेप्टर ए साइट ऑफ mRNA राइबोसोम एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स को वो इंटरफेयर करता है, ठीक है, विच रिजल्ट्स इन पेप्टाइड चेन फेल टू ग्रो. ठीक है, क्या होता है, इस इंटरफेरेंस के कारण पेप्टाइड चेन जो है वो ग्रो नहीं करता है. अब जब पेप्टाइड चेन ग्रो नहीं करेगा तो प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस ऑटोमेटिकली इंटरफेयर होगा. प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस इंटरफेयर होगा तो जो सस्पेक्टेड ऑर्गेनिज्म है उसका ग्रोथ कम होगा. एंड दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन हाउ टेट्रासाइक्लिन वर्क टू द सस्पेक्टेबल ऑर्गेनिज्म. नाउ, the sensitive organism has energy dependent active transport process which concentrate tetracycline intracellular. ठीक है, जो ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है, सेंसिटिव ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है, उसमें जो टेट्रासाइक्लिन का जो प्रोसेस होता है वो होता है एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट के थ्रू. ठीक है, बट देर आर ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया जिसमें टेट्रासाइक्लिन जो है वो डिफ्यूज़ करता है थ्रू प्रोटीन चैनल एज वेल. नाउ, the more lipid soluble membrane members like doxycycline and minocycline enter करता है to the susceptible organism by passive diffusion. This is the partly responsible for their higher potency. Now, tetracycline has broad spectrum activity against gram positive and gram negative cocci such as Streptococcus pyogenes, Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pneumoniae, and meningitis, and active against gram-positive bacilli such as Listeria, Clostridia, and Mycobacterium. gram negative bacilli such as Helicobacter pylori, Campylobacter, and some spirochetes also. What are the pharmacokinetics of tetracycline? Older tetracycline are incompletely absorbed from GIT. Absorption is better if taken in an empty stomach. ठीक है, doxycycline and minocycline are completely absorbed in irrespective of food. Have chelating property. They form insoluble and unabsorbed complex with calcium and other metals. Hence, milk and iron preparation non-systemic antacid such as sucralfate should not be given to the tetracycline taking patient. This is important, guys. They are concentrated in liver, spleen, and bind to the connective tissue in the bone and the teeth. They bind to the mitochondria. Most tetracycline are primarily excreted in urine by glomerular filtration. Dose has to be reduced in renal failure. Doxycycline is the exceptional to this. Now, they are secreted in milk in an amount sufficient to affect the suckling infants. Enzymes inducer like phenobarbital and phentoin enhances the metabolism and shorten the half-life of the doxycycline. An important note: tetracycline are not recommended by intramuscular route because it is painful and absorption from the injection site is poor. Slow IV injection may be given in severe cases. IV means intravenous. Topical application of tetracycline is not advised except in the eyes. What are the adverse effects of tetracycline? Tetracycline leads to kidney failure, phototoxic, diabetes insipidus, liver failure, tooth discoloration, bone defect. This is defect, DEFECT, bone defect, DEFECT, bone defect during pregnancy. Anti-anabolic effect, that means they induce gram-negative nitrogen balance and can cause increase in blood urea. Vestibular toxicity, Fanconi syndrome. Now, what are the contraindications of tetracycline? Means tetracycline which is contraindicated should not be given in which cases? Cases such as during pregnancy, lactation, and in children, tetracycline is contraindicated. Patient taking diuretics because blood urea may rise in such patient. Renal or hepatic insufficiency. In refractive, what are the uses of tetracycline? Tetracycline should be given in refractive periodontitis, periodontal inflammation. Tetracyclines are the drug of first choice in venereal disease, lymphogranuloma venerellum, atypical pneumonia, cholera, plague, rickettsial infections such as typhus, Q fever. What is tigecycline? This is a newer class of drug of tetracycline, synthetic tetracycline, active against bacteria that have developed resistance to tetracycline. Broad spectrum tetracycline but cannot stop Pseudomonas resistance to efflux pump so effective. Safe in renal failure patient as excreted in bile. Thank you. Hope you liked it. Please do like and subscribe my video as it motivates me to make more videos.